This is CryptoKernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be revisiting Cosmos and its native token Atom to find out why, as of late, it's gone up while most of the crypto market is down. First, for those of you that are new to the channel, we're going to break down exactly what both Cosmos is, as well as what Atom tokens are used for. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like button. Now, that's the thumbs up icon that you see me scrolling over directly underneath the video. What it does helps to share this video with others like yourself who are new and who want to start learning now. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is our icon that you see me scrolling over right now in the lower right-hand corner of your video. It ensures that you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes of CryptoKernels. And be sure also to hit bell notifications as well. We've got a lot going on each and every week, as you can see, and we're just getting started. Now, first of all, Cosmos builds itself as a project that solves some of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer an antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful proof of work protocols like those used by Bitcoin. By offering an ecosystem of connected blockchains, the project's other goals include making Bitcoin technology less complex and difficult for developers, thanks to a modular framework that demystifies decentralized applications. Last but not least, an inter-blockchain communication protocol makes it easier for blockchain networks to communicate with each other, preventing fragmentation in the industry. Now, Cosmos origins can be dated back to 2014 when Tendermint, a core contributor to the network, was founded. You can actually see our first video right here. Click on the card above me. In a 2016 white paper for Cosmos was published, and the token sale was held the following year. Atom tokens are earned through a hybrid proof-of-stake algorithm, and they help to keep the Cosmos hub, the project's flagship blockchain, secure. The cryptocurrency also has a role in the network's governance. Okay. Now, this is the official Cosmos blockchain website that we've been looking at. As you can see here, it's talking about staking rewards, because staking is one of the best new features within our industry. When I say new, within the last 18 months. Now, I'm going to show you something here. This article is on Cointelegraph.com, and it was published Thursday. Yes, Thursday the 15th, and it was written by Ray Salmon. Now, the title states most of the crypto market is down, but Cosmos Atom prices up. Why? Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most altcoins sold off heavily of the merge. The merge has finally happened. It's over. And fortunately, it went smoothly without any major hiccups. As predicted by many, the event turned out to be a buy the rumor, sell the news style event, or perhaps the hotter than expected consumer price index print on September 12th was the real catalyst that pushed the market in its current direction. Regardless of the reasons for this week's downturn, the merge is over, and in its wake, bulls are left holding a whole lot of nothing. It's likely that a new bullish narrative will need to emerge, or analysts will need to keep a close eye on smart money to see what assets they elect to rotate into. Okay. Now, if we go down here, remember the merge, according to so many smart people, was meant to be a bullish event that would possibly send Ether price higher, and the treasure trove of hard fork Ethereum proof of work tokens was meant to magically materialize multi-billions of dollars in liquidity, which would likely inflow to Bitcoin and help the ailing asset to break out of its current range. Okay. Well, none of that happened. It's not to say that it won't, but the current reality is a market painted in a bright shade of red. Bitcoin September 15th dropped below 20,000 and induced a market-wide correction, resulting in double-digit losses for a majority of all coins, yes. And at the moment, there isn't an easily graspable story for investors to interpret as bullish. Not everything is dumping, though. There does happen to be an outlier, and its name is Cosmos. To the surprise of some, it's one of the few green assets on the chart on merge day. Currently, the altcoin reflects a 9.4% gain, and it has rebounded strongly as of its September the 14th low of 13.19. The previous analyst discussed how Atom price trades within an ascending channel. Riding above the 20-day moving average, it suggested the dips to and under the moving average reflected good purchase opportunities. A simple technical analysis of Atom's price action would focus on Atom price continues to make higher lows and higher highs while trading within the trend lines, of an ascending channel. Atom price saw a brief bull break outside of the channel, tapping the 200-day moving average and then correcting back to the channel midline and 20 MA to confirm each as support. After testing support, price resumed the uptrend and now trades in the top of the current range and is likely to retest the 200 MA in an attempt to flip the level to support. Okay, let's go down here. It's talking about rising TVL. A number of protocols pivoted away from Terra, yes, after its implosion and relaunched on the Cosmos Hub, SDK. In September, analytics firm and protocol builder DeFi Digital also announced that it had selected Cosmos as its primary blockchain to build new projects on. The projects built on Cosmos Hub value accrual to Atom often results because decentralized DeFi protocols and other decentralized applications will participate in the network's interchain security system, which works over IBC, which is inter-blockchain communication. And it's basically an internet of blockchains. Okay, so think of it in those terms. Internet of blockchains. And a bridge that allows the cross-chain transfer of tokens and secure interoperability between different blockchains. Typically, the dApps, automatic market makers, AMMs, and DeFi-style platforms built on blockchains offer staking, and the fees generated from this are oftentimes shared among stakers. Profits. That's what we're talking about here. Staking Atom currently offers a 17.75 APY, and according to staking rewards, 66.75% of the available circulating supply is being staked. Think about that. 2/3 of the tokens that are in investor hands right now are being staked. Liquid staking, a phenomenon which, when deployed in other DeFi platforms on other blockchains, resulted in increased buy pressure on the ecosystem's native tokens. And then down here is just something else important I want to get out of here to share with you. Multiple Cosmos ecosystem platforms, including Comdex, are set to launch their own stablecoin, and it is likely that assets locked and staked within the platform will back the dollar peg of said stablecoins, given the structure of the Cosmos Hub and IBC. Let's see here. And I'm going to leave a link for this for those of you that want to come in here and read this. I guess it's a lot to process, even for me. But I know after a few minutes, but I mean, it's a lot. And then it talks about McCaff's law right here, which is a cycle of crypto being purchased, staked, and minted within the ecosystem to fuel additional growth. Okay, and people are really backing it right now. And as you can see here, as of today, September the 18th, it's 15.22 per token. Its market cap is 4.357 billion. And as you can see here, when I clicked on total supply, what it's showing us right here, I'm going to go back and circulating supply, 286 million tokens current, and 2/3 of these are being staked. Remember that. They're not just on exchanges sitting there. They're being staked. They're earning profits. Now we can see here it's up over the last month. I'm going to show you something here. Then also over the last 3 months, the low of, what was it, $6.76, and the high, 3-month high of $16.90. And this is why Bitcoin and Ethereum were down severely at the same time. This is why you have to know. This is why you have to do your own research. So I can share with you so much, and I'm sharing a lot with you, and I have shared a lot with you guys. These 2 links, you can use them to get free crypto, earn $40 with Coinbase, $25 with Crypto.com just for signing up using the links. You can also get Cosmos on both, and you can get Cosmos at BitForex as well as Binance. And lastly, you have to protect what you already have and what you're getting ready to get. The only way to do so is to get your own cold storage wallet. Now, Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers in crypto cold storage wallets. They're based in France. As you can see here, they got several different models to choose from. The Nano S Plus is what, $80. You take your crypto off whatever exchange you have it on, you put it on your Ledger, and only you have access to it. They even have accessories now. Oh, look at this, the bill photo. Get a Ledger. Less than 20% of you have one as of right now. I know this. It's not smart and it's not safe. And I don't want you sending me emails crying after you because you didn't get one. So get it. I'm giving you all the tools you need. And also a new feature, you can show your support by sending a thanks. As you can see here, we've got $2 thanks, $5 thanks, $10 thanks, and $50 thanks. And it goes to contribution of contributing to the content of the channel. And you guys have seen all the things we've been doing recently. And we're just getting started. Get in there and make it happen.